All right, today we're going to go over a quick start video of our production grade portable from Fume Extractors. Basically, these units come standard with a 2 horsepower motor, runs 115 volts at 16.5 amps. With that being said, they are plug and play units, but you're going to need a 20 amp breaker because the plug that it comes with is a 115 volt 20 amp plug. And you're going to need an outlet to put on the wall, and you don't want to run anything under that because it'll pop a breaker for you. So you've got it all plugged in. You're going to hit the green button, we'll turn the unit on, and then the red button is stop. These starters may vary, but they will always have a red and green button on them. These units come standard with a differential pressure gauge, magnehelic gauge, and whenever you get these units, it's a manual setting. You have to set these manually. You have a red arrow, a yellow arrow, and a green arrow. The green arrow represents the filter whenever it's brand new. Like I said, it's a reference point. Usually what you'll do is you'll start the unit up for the first time, and then you'll set your green arrow wherever it's reading on the magnehelic gauge. Then you want to go 2 inches up from that, and then you'll set your yellow arrow. The yellow arrow represents you maybe need to pulse the system and clean out your dust trays. And if you pulse the system, it should go down a little bit. Once it gets to red, you definitely need the pulser unit. Also, it might be a time to order a filter or replace the filter. So you're definitely going to want to do that, but I would start with pulsing it. And my recommendation for pulsing these units is 2 to 3 times a day, and let it sit, let it settle. But as you do the magnehelic gauge, if it does not go down after you pulse it on the red, you definitely want to order a filter. I always recommend if it's getting to the red, you're going to want to place an order for that filter. And that is our quick start video for our production grade portable from Fume Extractors. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Fume Extractors. Thank you.